The theme of this Light Upon Light in Zanzibar is peace, respect, and unity. Peace, respect, and unity. All these three are interconnected. You want peace, you will have to respect each other with a difference. And that's one thing I want to talk about always, that people think, we are not united. Wallahi, we are united. It doesn't mean because you are different from me in my thinking that I'm not united with you. I'm united, but I disagree with one or two things. If we were disunited because of disagreement in our own houses, none of us think the same. Husband and wife who love each other so much, they also have disagreements. They are united more than you can imagine. They've had so many children. They are united, but they have disagreements. So unity is not uniformity. You don't need to be exactly the same to consider yourself unity. You know, when you wear a school uniform, the whole school is wearing the same color. Look there, they are, mashallah, everyone's wearing the same color. That does not mean that they are united, but rather they have uniformity. Look at that, mashallah, tabarakallah. They are happy that I noticed them. MashaAllah, I noticed you when I walked in. And more than the fact that I noticed the dress, I pray for you because you came here, I think at 6 in the morning. May Allah Almighty bless you all. And there too, I know you came in very early. May Allah Almighty bless you all. When we go for Hajj, we are all wearing similar clothing. That does not make us united. No, it doesn't. That's a rule of Allah that we are following. Allah wants us to follow it. Yes, there are broader benefits of it, but unity would be when the hearts understand we need to respect each other.